proved the old saying, fourth in the Guineas, first in the Derby. But 20 came under starters' orders for the 1996 Vodafone Derby, with the champion jockey Frankie Dettori having chosen the John Gosden-trained Shan 2 ahead of Roger Charlton's Mystic Knight following Mark Westteam's late withdrawal. Let's pick them up at the end of the first furlong.
Glory of Dancer, then Duchiantor, who's on the inside of runners. Taz did back in centre field with Portuguese Dill, who's searching for a handy spot. In behind them is Forum, getting right up on the inside of Shan 2 and also Charmit right there in that group as well. Double Leaf has been shuffled back on the inside of Prince of My Heart. Chief Contender out wide from Ashane. Portuguese Dill has now been shuffled back to last of the main body of the field, and a good gap of 6 or 7 lengths to Classic Eagle and Spartan Heartbeat, who whips them in. Racing uphill steadily towards the mile now, and showing the way as Jack Jennings by 3 parts of a length. A Busy Flight getting through along the inside into third is Glory of Dancer into a very handy position. Chief Contender trapped out wide with Mystic Knight. Further back is Even Top. Just behind the leaders, El Hearth is very handy. Prince of My Heart is about 6 deep as they race uphill. Duchiantor about 5th on the inside of St. Maur's as they continue their climb uphill now towards the 6.5 furlong marker, and it's Jack Jennings who shows the way from Busy Flight on the outside. Third then is Mystic Knight, then in behind them Glory of Dancer going well. Even Top is there as well. Out wider Chief Contender ranging up to tackle the leaders now as they start the freewheel downhill. In behind them St. Maur's followed next in the field. Out wider by Stormtrooper. Charmit is further back. Duchiantor shuffled back through the field on the inside of Ashane. Further back in the field is Forum as they charge down Tattenham Corner. Half a mile to go in the Derby, and it's Jack Jennings on the inside who just shows the way here, but starting to loom up on the outer is Mystic Knight to throw the challenge now. Out wider then a call on for an effort. Chief Contender, Glory of Dancer going well in behind them. It needs a run. Then follows El Hearth as they come into the straight. Prince of My Heart is next from Taz did, then St. Maur's. Ashane to the far side. Duchiantor behind a wall of horses from Charmit, and further back is Shan 2 Stormtrooper. Halfway up the straight in the Derby, Jack Jennings is there, but getting up on the inside, Glory of Dancer sees daylight now, and in the twinkling of the eye has dashed to the lead. It's Glory of Dancer who takes it up from Jack Jennings, but here's Charmit galloping home down the outside. Charmit ranges up now, grabs the lead, has gone 2 lengths in front now of Glory of Dancer, battling on Jack Jennings. Here's Duchiantor from the clouds with Shan 2. It's Charmit with about 100 yards left to go. 3 in front. Duchiantor's flying, but I don't reckon it's going to make it. Charmit punched out is going to win the Derby. Charmit goes on to win a length and a half to Duchiantor. Third Shan 2. Behind them is Glory of Dancer, El Hearth, followed by Mystic Knight, then Ashane and Jack Jennings.
William Haggas had always maintained Charmit was top class. He'd overcome a sea of troubles to get him to post. And despite press comment about the role of Lester Piggott, William's father-in-law, in the victory, this was the finest hour for Haggas and his team.